Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about easy and free ways to make money online. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make 25 cents every minute on autopilot just by uploading your pictures. And don't worry if you don't want to be uploading your face, just stay to the end of this video because I will be showing you a website where you can download free pictures that you can be uploading on this website. And as you can see, over here you will be paid 25 cents on every views you get on your post. Don't worry, this website has a lot of users and your post will surely get views. This is MONEYDOOR YouTube channel where I teach you easy and free ways to make money online. If you are new to the channel, please click the red subscriber button and turn on the notification. And don't forget to like this video if you have any concerns or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And if there is any way you would love to make money online, just leave it in the comments below. I will surely make a easy video about it. Now let's start. The website that we are going to use in this tutorial to make money is called Click a Snap. As it is written here, this website is one of the largest free to use paid per view image sharing platform. So on this website, whenever someone views your image, you will get paid. On this next page, you will make money whenever your image are viewed. You are going to earn 25 cents per views on your post. All you need is to just create a free account with just your Facebook, Google and Twitter. Once you fill in your details, just click on create account. Once you created an account, all you need to do is to start uploading your image. But don't worry if you don't want to be uploading your pictures, I will show you where you can get a free pictures to upload. Once you click on upload over here, you will just need to verify if you are a human, and on this page you can upload your image, but you can only upload your image or you will get banned if you upload copyrighted image. But don't worry, I will show you how you can upload pictures that are not yours and you will not get banned. So what you will do is to come over to this website called Pixabay. On this website you can download free images and royalty free stock. There are a lot of high quality images on this website and it's all copyright free, which means you can reuse them without any copyright issue. Just click on anyone you want to download, you'll be taken to this page, and over here you can see as it says here, free for commercial use and no attribution required. So you can use it wherever you want. So just click on download. Once it is downloaded, just go back to Click a Snap and upload it. Once it is uploaded, you can make some changes to it like the name, description, tags and categories. Once you have done everything, just click on confirm and your image will be uploaded. Just go over to the website and learn more about it. And the minimum payout is just $15. Just go over to the website and explore more. So this will be the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any ways you would love to make money online in mind, just leave it in the comment and I will make an easy video about it. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more easy and free ways to make money online. See you in my next video.